Did you know that while you're getting a good night's sleep, there are ingenious ways to make money online that require minimal effort? In this video, we're unveiling the top 9 lazy ways to make money online while you sleep. But before we dive into these secrets, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell so you never miss out on any more mind-blowing tips and tricks. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services for other companies. And when your referral leads to a sale, you earn a commission. Now, in my opinion, the real goldmine here lies in digital products, particularly online courses. Let's say you're promoting an online course with a price tag of $1,000. The beauty of it is that you don't have to worry about fulfillment costs or shipping. It's pure profit. As an affiliate, you can earn a substantial 50% commission, meaning a $1,000 sale puts $500 right into your pocket. Here's the key: don't waste your time promoting products that offer paltry commissions of just $1 or $2. In my view, you should aim for affiliate programs that pay you at least $100 for each sale you refer. Take Amazon's affiliate program, for example. With some clever marketing, you can maximize your earnings, perhaps even through methods like anonymous YouTube videos, which leads us on to the next method. 2. Faceless YouTube videos. The key to success here lies in targeting some of the most lucrative niches out there, such as money, health, travel, or technology. But hold on, you don't even need to appear on camera yourself. There are alternate methods that work just as effectively. One option is to record a simple voiceover using your phone, no need for fancy microphones. Then, you can layer existing footage on top of the video. The best part? If you're earning through advertising, this approach can potentially generate more income than a full-time job. Here's the basic strategy. Once your YouTube channel accumulates over 4,000 hours of viewing time and 1,000 subscribers, you can start running ads. YouTube pays you every time someone watches an ad before or during your video. But wait, there's an even lazier trick up our sleeves: using AI tools to supercharge your video production. For instance, you can employ tools like Pictory, which compiles videos by selecting relevant stock footage based on your script. And don't forget about the latest AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper.ai, which can help you generate scripts 10 times faster. To ensure uniqueness, use a service like Copyscape.com to verify your content. If you want to take the laziness to the next level, consider outsourcing. I manage half a dozen YouTube channels this way, mainly by recruiting talent from platforms like Upwork.com. I delegate tasks such as script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail creation, leaving me with the simple job of brainstorming video ideas, uploading, and optimizing the final product. 3. Faceless YouTube videos plus affiliate marketing. This is the perfect marriage of laziness and profitability because you only need to put in the work once to start raking in passive income from both sides. You can use your YouTube channel to generate ad revenue while simultaneously cashing in on affiliate commissions through the referral system. Imagine running a YouTube channel dedicated to all things tech. Each video you create is a captivating showcase of the latest and coolest gadgets on the market. In your video content, you'll provide in-depth reviews and insightful commentary about these gadgets. But here's where the magic happens: strategically incorporate affiliate links into your video descriptions. Whenever you feature a product, make sure to include an affiliate link that directs viewers to purchase it. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a simple yet highly effective way to monetize your tech-focused content. If you're eager to get started and want a detailed guide on setting up your tech-focused YouTube channel and mastering affiliate marketing, click on the link below. In this video, we'll provide you with step-by-step instructions, tips, and tricks to ensure your channel becomes a money-making machine in no time. 4. Blogging for profit. Another powerful avenue to boost traffic and further leverage affiliate products is by running a blog. Setting up a blog has never been easier, thanks to modern blog platforms like Webflow. In just a few hours, you can have a fully functional blog that has the potential to generate income for years to come. Start by conducting thorough keyword research to pinpoint the most promising blog post topics. Aim for subjects with substantial search interest but minimal competition, or those with a combination of high search volume and low competition, making it easier to rank in search engine results. Now, here's where the magic happens. At the end of each blog article you write, include a strategically placed link to your high-paying partner product. As you consistently produce valuable content, a certain percentage of your readers will click on these links, potentially leading to lucrative sales for you. 5. Savings and dividends. So, let's talk about another key element in the world of passive income, a HYSA, or high-yield savings account. These accounts can be opened at various banks, and my recommendation is simple research until you find one offering an above-average interest rate while ensuring it's FDIC insured for security. Once you've set up your high-yield savings account, it's time to step into the world of dividend equities. Platforms like M1 Finance or Robinhood provide you with opportunities to invest in dividend-paying stocks, which can serve as a fantastic source of passive income. In my opinion, the top dividend stocks to consider include SCHD, DGRO, JEPI, VYM, and VXUS. The beauty of these stocks is that they keep paying you dividends, even when you're catching those much-needed ZZZs. 6. Create profitable courses. Creating your own online academy doesn't require you to be a global expert on the subject. Even if you possess expertise that's just 1% beyond what most people know about a specific topic, I strongly recommend capitalizing on it. Let's say you're skilled in a particular area related to health, finances, happiness, or relationships. You can transform that expertise into a profitable venture. Simply record yourself, showcasing your knowledge and skills. The key is to create a video course consisting of around 30 distinct lessons that span over a month. Once you've built it, you can continue to earn money from that course for years to come. Now, here's where the laziness pays off. Imagine you put in the work to create your course just once. Afterward, set up a sales page and all the necessary components to automatically market your course. 7. Evergreen webinars. Now, let's delve into the power of evergreen webinars, a continuous source of income that doesn't require you to host live sessions repeatedly. Everwebinar.com is a fantastic tool for this job. All you need to do is create a slideshow using tools like Google Slides, record your screen, and it's completely free with OBS Studio, and start teaching on a specific topic. At the end of your webinar, you can seamlessly link to the course you've created or connect your audience with a high-paying partner course. Here is a brief overview of what you need to do. Step 1. Begin with a 1-minute introduction. Step 2. Spend a few minutes sharing your story or the story of someone else who has achieved what you're teaching. Summarize the key aspects of this narrative in 1 or 2 minutes. Step 3. Address the 3 main reasons why people hesitate to invest in the product or service you're promoting. Share 3 secrets or insights that you can teach. For instance, imagine educating people on how to make money on YouTube without actually creating videos. Note that evergreen webinars are always accessible, open to participants at any time, and can generate substantial income consistently. The key is having a skill that others desire to learn and don't already possess. If you lack that skill, consider collaborating with someone who does. 8. Creating digital products. Producing digital goods is a goldmine in the world of passive income. These digital products span a wide range, including online courses, which we discussed earlier when talking about setting up an academy, ebooks, membership sites, software, audiobooks, graphics, PDF downloads, website themes, music, templates, and even writing packs. Here's the genius part: you don't necessarily have to create these products yourself. If you know how to, that's great. But you can also hire talented individuals to craft these digital gems for you, using websites designed for such collaborations. Now, when it's time to put your digital treasures out into the world, platforms like Gumroad.com and Kayabuy.com are your go-to places. The beauty of it, as with all things digital, is that once you make a sale, you get to keep practically all of the profit. 9. Film and earn. You can capture random videos or photos of everyday items around your home or in your community, and businesses might be eager to buy them. Platforms like Shutterstock.com provide a marketplace for these stock assets. It's as simple as recording a few clips of your pet enjoying the outdoors, capturing the rain falling, filming the serene beach, or anything else that catches your eye. The beauty of it is that some individuals or businesses may purchase these stock clips. So, as you're going about your daily life, your camera can become your passive income generator, capturing the mundane and turning it into a source of revenue. Now that you've discovered these ingenious ways to make money online while you sleep, which one are you most excited to try out? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic money-making tips delivered straight to your inbox. Sweet dreams and even sweeter earnings await.